Gonna buy another fish.
Wow!
Good evening, guys. We're gonna go to the beach. This is our fellas.
Hello.
We're gonna go together. Ay, ito. Mamakbakan ko ikaw. Di mo tiguputang. Ito talaga. Pasaway ka talaga, ha?
Ganda ng kalpul. Kalpul na kanong salog.
Oo. Sarah is being no good. So, we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna do a night swimming tonight. And I'm gonna bring the kids with me. And my sister-in-law, which is my other sister-in-law, they didn't come. Only me and my sister. They bring one of their assessments. So, make sure that they can have and they can finish those. And right now, we're gonna preparing. This is the things that we have to bring. I have some fish, chicken, bread, everything here. I got my things or plugs, everything like that, charger. And this is our place where we can cook our rice. And this is also like the rest of the stuff that where we can cook. And this is our plate. So my sister is happy because she is not always like somebody gonna bring her in the beach. So this is gonna be your first time. You happy? Happy? You going to go to the beach?
Yes.
Where's your clothes? How many clothes you bring? Hala, no, you bring two.
Mami,
Sige na, bring two because we're gonna go take a swim. Hala ka, tomorrow you cannot go swim anymore. Ano, mapod ka?
ikaw.
Kay hain naman.
Wala.
Hami kay. Tara na, let's go. Where's Mikey? Let's go guys. So I let my nephew come with me because he gonna find a fish. We're gonna do at the evening and we're gonna get a fish. That's what we're gonna do. We end up leaving in the evening because I wait my brother first because he is the one who is going to drive in the tricycle home from the mountain. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we're gonna go traveling now. I'm waiting my nephew. He gonna go fishing. I'm not gonna be able to take a video all the way to get there because they don't have a street light or light that it can flash us. Maybe I can get a little snap but not all the way there. So I'll see you guys in the beach. Okay guys, we are full. We pretty much full. We have kids in the back. Hello guys. Where is Mikey? Mikey? Ano ito? Guys, it's kinda dark. Unleaded. Balyo iton. Guys, how much the rent for the night swimming? Ata ang adik ka man ngayon.
Ay, kami na yun. Karatata dyan.
Ha, hindi.
Madali.
May aircon?
Aircon na kati.
Mo, pay ba ulugot ira. Kami hila kami. Pero kun hila kita. May daano utoy? Tagpira ga dito ira dito. Kay ate man ngayon. We have a cottage here. Ano din ka matuiday? O, din nila kita. This is the swimming pool. Oh, it's cute. Hi, Nahira. Ata, Nahira magsiswimming. This is the cottage. Ide-arid cottage. May kunulong ka, tigbaw. Pagkuang kuno din hi 1-4.
Bitato ba nga ilahirado?
Ate nga kabataan.
Malhimano junit man dina.
Waray man nga and then ini nga parot din siya ki ano ano nga.
Bibidyo kay ka pa, mada naman naton. May dinipiso no, na wifi? Ha? Oh, din nila kita, sige na. My cousin, she already have a great time. Allah, we gonna stay here overnight, guys.
Hi guys.
We gonna stay here until tomorrow.
Hi.
Amo na udog. Kinuan na na.
Hey guys, let's eat.
Ipretuhon ta ate. Sige. Kuanit kuan. Tubig. At man pitsil ilaro man tuman. Kain na. Man. Iya ta adi nga manok karamisan pa. Kain ta tamisan.
Bago?
Dagat. Ayun. Ay, mineral. May damang kuno dito kusina.
Ate patilag daw.
Ay, mga kutsara didi. Hindi na kutsara. This is our cottage that we rent. The rent is 1,400 a night. And we can stay until we want, until tomorrow in the afternoon. So we're gonna stay here until then. But right now we are going to cook a chicken adobo. I'm gonna throw this in the trash. We cannot make a mess because, you know, it's embarrassing to the owner because the place is very clean. And we're gonna cook here, right here, guys.
Kami ang
Oo. This is the place we're cooking in the ground, diba? And the babies right there, they're taking a swim. Oh.
Ma'am, ang dasurahan.
May laluwat ni Raado dito, gilid. Dam-dami! Ano man pa? Wala ka dito. Hey guys! You guys are not ready yet? Let's eat, guys, for dinner. They are eating now. They got their chicken and rice. Hello, guys. And then the baby's right there, another one. That's good. I'm still cooking. I'm gonna fry me a fish. So we're gonna fry the fish, guys.
May pakulat tayo mo kay maupay didi. Man. Maupay didi beauty. Beauty in the rain. Isda, ano nagsakit?
Bisan na ito waray kuan,
Ano?
waray salt.
Waray na ito, kaya din halos so.
Dahil kanina man ang luwag. This is our electric cooker. This is similar where I cook my waffles. Gay ka mananulay. Ha? Asa mo na ito? Eating time. Dito ka na yung kulo.
Tubig, tubig, tubig.
Nakapamalat na ng sara.
We have fish and banana. May tada miswa nga hing sardinas. Kaya kita balita boss isda. Gonna buy another fish tomorrow, guys.
Ginis daw. Siya magkakaga.
Where we gonna go to the fishing. Ata idada ko pa to, bigit pa man.
Ako. Ano mo na lang
Makasakay ka mo't motor buwas, magmara ka mo ha. Waray masakay motor buwas nga, di nga sa dagat. Magulo, kailangan magmara. Ay,
Ito. Sige. Kumain. Tabig mo alam dito lang.
Okay?
Tumanggad niya di.
Here we go.
Here we go again.
Look. Watch and learn.
Puwit.
Ano di yan nasin? Hindi.
Nahangin.
Ay. Oo, pag-record nila, berat ka. Oh. Anong cellphone, Lord?
Haslir.
Ang pagpaano man ito.
Anong cellphone? Wala ano
Pagpaan.
dito para madaglit. Kailan siya?
Ito ilog-log ko dito kasi
Wala.
yung phone.
Hindi na. Salo ang charger. Kaya madaglit-lagit natin yung makanuman.
Pas charger yan. Ala pag bulukwana. Diretso la.
Ah, nakot siya dito niya agad dito sa balay.
Juna!
Sasaksak pala, full na.
Dito dyan! Dide! Dide! Nagkakaralawid ang nagkakita. Look guys! Wow, at saks na.
Guys,
Wow!
Magaling.
sumabog ito.
Dide, Dino!
Ano?
Pikada.
Aharanta.
halo-halo na ininom ko, tuba, gin.
Saging, basta lagi.
Sasabaw ko sa kapit.
Oo, kagad pa na nakatubog. Kumanda ko.
Tubig. Nahuwag ang asan.
Kaya ba natin kabayan? Yung Sara?
Ako na naman.
Dakay ka mong kinita o niya ano? Dapat pag kinikita niya, pinapor na flat ko.
Murot kita agad.
Kaya yun.
Ano lang payong?
Kaya ko nga, hindi lang nga halong. Nagtag-o sa confident din nga Joe, ng kabataan, lapot maray ng mga halong. Patimta lang ang halong, ayan, hindi nagpinhasin.
Home. We're going home na. Uy. Nagpicture kita. We're unpacking na our things. We're leaving na. I'll see you guys again on my next video.